Hey my sweeties, it's Sarah. So today I had my order from Jeffree Star Cosmetics come in the mail. I thought it would be a great opportunity to do an unboxing video. I ordered this stuff in like early December, so it would arrive just in time before Christmas and my birthday. However, we are 3 days until the new year. My package just arrived today. It's been almost so long I kind of forgot what I ordered. But I understand completely that because of the holidays, processing and delivering orders might take a little bit longer than usual, but I would still have appreciated a little bit more communication on Jeffree Star's side, or like an email maybe explaining what's taking so long or where my package is. I didn't really get that even when I reached out to them. It's not a huge deal though. I'm still glad my order is in my hands right now, so keep on watching if you want to see what's inside. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So it looks like that. And there was this little postcard on top, just kind of advertising his Alien collection. And then on the other side, there's his new Northern Lights highlighting palette that he just came out with. All right, so I'm just gonna start taking out the big thing right here on top. And this is his second nude lipstick mini collection. Similar packaging to the first one. It says open here for nudes right on the front. And here it is, the vaults all together. There are 2 brand new shades in here that are exclusive. You can only get them in this collection. I believe it is Top Shelf, this one right here, and this one on the end called Tasty are the newer shades. Alright, the next biggest thing, it's all wrapped up in a green. I believe this is the Alien palette. This packaging is so pretty. It looks like pink kind of galaxy. There's some like glitter reflex in here. It's super cute. Oh, and all of his ingredients are always listed on the back. I believe it goes by each shade. So if you're having a reaction to only one of the shades, you can see exactly what it's made out of. All right, so the palette is just sitting right in here. You can see the eyes on the alien are raised up a little bit. The plastic is kind of bubbly, sort of. It feels like a nice fake leather material. All of his Instagram and YouTube handles are on the back. So let's open it up. So pretty. I'm so excited to use this. Oh my gosh. This is my first ever Jeffree Star palette, actually. I haven't been able to purchase any of his other ones, but when I saw this one I knew I had to have it. It's just so unique. The color story is like so different from anything I've ever seen before, so I'm definitely really excited to play with this. I'll be doing a separate video of an eye look from this palette, so stay tuned for that. Alright, the next thing I got is right here. I believe, oh yeah, it's gonna be kind of hard to show them all on camera, but these are the holiday lipstick collection. All the lipsticks came out for Christmas time. I'm gonna be swatching all of these later in the video. And the last thing in this big box is a highlighter. This is wrapped really well because when Jeffree Star first put out his highlighters, people were complaining that they were getting destroyed and shattered in the mail. So there was like 15 layers of bubble wrap on that. Alright, but this one is in the shade Jeffree. It's from his family collection that he did with his boyfriend and all of his cute little Pomeranians. But this is like a bright, shiny pink. It kind of matches my jacket a little bit, but cute. I'm excited for this one for sure. Right now I don't have any product on my lips, And I'm going to swatch these lipstick from lightest to darkest. I sort of have them sorted out right here next to me. So the first one is called Can't Relate. It looks like this. I love its holiday packaging. It looks so good. It's like a white top with like a fiery like orange glitter over the whole thing. It's really, really, really pretty. All right, so let's see what this looks like. All right, so this is the lipstick swatched. I really like it. It's kind of like a Your Lips but better kind of nude. The color is really similar to my natural lip shade, so, but again, it would look really gorgeous on any skin tone. It's one of those nudes that's really wearable. So up next is the shade Clout. Alright, so this is Clout. It's like a metallic, like lavender kind of. I don't know if I really like it by itself. I think I would personally put it like as a lip topper, like over a black lipstick or like a dark blue or a dark purple, but by itself I think it doesn't look flattering on me personally, but it is a really cool like lipstick color. Alright, so the next shade I have here is Scandal. So Scandal to me is like a very like rosy, pretty pink. I really like colors like this. I always like wear colors like this all the time because they're neutral enough, but they're still really pretty and they stand out from regular nudes. Alright, so next up I have Jeffree Who. So this is Jeffree Who Put On. I love this shade. It's a red lipstick, but it's a very natural, kind of like a corally, kind of like orange red. This one's definitely like a more natural looking red for sure. So the next lipstick is Hi, how are ya? We'll see how this one looks. Alright, so this is what I think of when I think of like a bright, like in-your-face red lipstick. Like, this is like Taylor Swift circa like 2014 kind of red lipstick, you know what I mean? Like, it's very pin-up, like I like it a lot. It's my style for sure. So my lips are a little bit stained red right now, but I'm still gonna try on the rest of the lipsticks. Next up we have Karma. So this is Karma swatched on my skin. This one did take a little bit more finessing, more than the other shades. It's a little bit streakier, the formula is, but I know that green is kind of a hard formula to get down right. I've never had a green lipstick that wasn't streaky. I think that's just kind of how it goes, but this one looks really, really cute. Alright, so next up I'm going in with Triggered. We'll see how this one looks. Alright, so this one is Triggered. I really like it. It's like a purpley brown. I really like wearing dark lipsticks, so I think this one is a definite go-to for me. So the next one is You're Still on the Property. I'm really excited for this shade. It was the one that I was like most impressed by, just because it's like a metallic blue, and who doesn't love that? So here is You're Still on the Property swatched. I love it. It's like literally a Walmart blue. I love wearing blue lipsticks. I'm definitely gonna wear this one like every day, that's for sure. I love it. So before I end this video, I'm feeling kind of naked without my highlighter on. So I'm just gonna swatch this on my face really fast. Again, this is the shade Jeffree. That is so bright. Oh my god. That is insane. That's why I got this one, because all the pictures I was seeing on the internet of this highlighter were like stunning. Like, look at that. So I still have this nude bundle to open up and swatch as well, but I was looking in here and there are so many shades. I thought it would just be better to make it its own video. So stay tuned. I am going to swatch these all for you guys, as well as I'm going to do a full look with the Alien palettes. So yeah, stay tuned for more makeup and madness.